So this is the next project. We are going to close in this area underneath this room. And what we have to do first, we're not going to do this alone. I have dug most of this so far, but we're going to dig it about down to that level so it's flat and put a door right where that window is so you can walk out. This will all be moved. The posts will be what is left. So this is pallet wood, which if you're interested, you can see a video and the progress of what I'm going to do with this pallet wood. I have 135 times however many slabs, boards, whatever you want to call it, was included in that. But this is on a hill, this back area. Calling this the back room. And it is on a hill. You might not be able to tell, but it goes straight down. Not straight down, but at a very steep, probably 45-degree angle. But they're gonna come here and put walls up, new posts, and they're gonna get rid of this. This is protecting a bathroom, toilet, tub, shower, etc., sink. That's gonna come down because this room will be heated and then cooled in the summer. Well, as it turns out, two of these sides have bad posts. They're tipped, they're curved, they're twisted, so 5 posts have to be put in its place. So the room will actually end up being inset into the space, and it's just the way it's got to be. So because this was an outside area, there was a gas line that came from over there and went underground and over to the propane tank, which is in there in the distance. But we had to have it moved because this is all going to be closed in. So there is the new gas line, that old copper one. This will be removed, and the water line will need to be rerouted also, and I can do that. We're hiring somebody to come in here and dig this out, do the walls, take down this ceiling so we can start over and make it a room. You also see electric lines down here, and there's a couple of junction boxes. There's one right there, right there. So depending on where they're coming from, I will be pulling electric to power up this back room. Because there is electric over there in the far corner, right in there. But I think that's hooked up to a switch, so that's probably not going to work. And I think it's a dead end there, so that won't work. But there's other electric. I know there's electric in there, in that thing that drops down. It's loaded with insulation, but we won't need that because this whole room will be insulated. This area is the underside, looking up from the room, of an area that was open to a deck above, and I had to do a lot of fixing that to make it watertight. I used this waterproof sealant, and this is the way it looked on top once it was done. This is in part, I also put flooring, waterproof flooring on top of that. I also made a video on how I waterproof this area. I'll try and remember to put a link at the end of this video. So we went to get the lumber and took it to the house. Now we're going to be doing this. I'm going to try and do a video every day, and I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to see them, and I'll see you tomorrow.